Have you ever gotten into a taxi and didn't understand the first thing the driver said?
Yeah, that happens to me a lot.
Right away?
Yeah, like I open the door, I sit down, and they say something fast.
Too fast?
Way too fast.
Okay, let's imagine this. You just got into a taxi.
All right, I open the door, I sit down.
What do you feel?
I feel a little nervous
Why nervous?
because I know they're going to say something and I might not understand.
Yeah, that feeling.
I don't like that feeling.
Where to?
And I'm like,
That pause again.
yeah, that pause again.
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking, okay, say the address.
But it doesn't come out right away?
No, it takes a second.
So what do you say?
I say the address slowly.
Slowly is good.
Yeah, I say Main Street,
Good.
number 10.
Nice.
That part is okay, but then
Then what?
they say something else.
And you don't understand.
Yeah, I don't understand.
So the driver says something and you don't catch it.
Yeah, I hear the sound, but I don't understand.
Do you understand a little?
Maybe one word, but not the whole sentence.
That's very common.
Yeah, and I don't know what to do.
Do you ask again?
Sometimes, but I feel awkward
Why awkward?
because I don't want to say what too many times.
Yeah, that feeling again.
I don't like that feeling.
So what do you usually do?
I say sorry?
Just sorry?
Yeah, just sorry?
That works.
Yeah, simple works again.
And then?
They repeat, but still fast.
Still fast?
Yeah, still fast.
And you still don't understand?
Still not really.
So what do you do now?
I try to guess.
You guess?
Yeah, I just say yes.
Even if you're not sure?
Yeah, even if I'm not sure.
So you say yes, but you're not sure.
Exactly.
What happens next?
Sometimes nothing.
That's good.
Yeah, but sometimes
Sometimes?
something feels wrong.
Wrong.
Yeah, like we're going the wrong way.
Oh, that feeling.
Yeah, I look outside and I think, wait,
You're not sure anymore.
not at all.
Do you say something?
I hesitate.
You hesitate again.
Yeah, I don't want to be wrong.
That's very real.
But then I think I have to say something.
Yes.
So I say, excuse me,
Good.
this way?
Short and clear.
Yeah, simple again.
So you said this way, and now you're looking outside.
Yeah, I'm looking outside and something feels off.
Off.
Yeah, like I don't recognize the street.
You start thinking.
Yeah, I think, wait, is this right?
Do you feel nervous?
A little, yeah.
That small nervous feeling.
Yeah, it's not panic, but it's not comfortable.
Right in the middle.
Exactly.
So what do you do?
I look at my phone.
Checking the map?
Yeah, I check the map.
And?
It looks different.
Different.
Yeah, not the same.
That's when the feeling gets stronger.
Yeah, I start thinking, okay, something is wrong.
Do you say something right away?
No, not right away.
You hesitate again.
Yeah, I hesitate again.
Why?
Because I'm not 100% sure.
You don't want to be wrong.
Exactly.
But at some point,
Yeah, I have to say something.
so what do you say?
I say, excuse me,
Good.
this way?
Nice. Clear.
I try to keep it simple.
Simple works again. So you ask and the driver answers.
Yeah, and again, it's fast.
Still fast?
Still fast.
Do you understand this time?
Maybe a little more, but not everything.
What do you catch?
I hear something like traffic or road.
Okay, so you get a small idea.
Yeah, I think maybe there is traffic.
So they changed the route.
Yeah, maybe.
But you're still not sure.
Still not sure.
That feeling again.
Yeah, I don't like that feeling.
So what do you do now?
I try to ask again, but simpler.
Simpler?
Yeah, I say, traffic?
Just one word?
Yeah, just one word.
That's smart.
Yeah, easier.
And the driver responds?
Yeah, they say something like, yes, traffic.
Now it's clearer.
Yeah, now I understand more.
Not everything, but enough.
Yeah, enough.
How do you feel now?
Better.
Less nervous?
Yeah, less nervous.
That's important. So now you understand a little more.
Yeah, I feel more relaxed.
More comfortable?
Yeah, more comfortable.
But you're still paying attention,
Yeah, I'm still watching the map.
just to be sure.
Exactly.
That's a good habit.
Yeah, I check again and again.
You check more than once.
Yeah, just to feel safe.
Makes sense.
I don't want another mistake.
Right.
But now I feel okay.
Not perfect, but okay.
Yeah, okay is good.
Okay is enough.
Yeah, I don't need perfect English.
Exactly.
Just simple words, simple questions.
And small steps.
Yeah, small steps.
So now things feel a bit better.
Yeah, I'm not as nervous as before.
The car is moving, everything seems okay.
Yeah, it feels more normal now.
And sometimes the driver says something again.
Yeah, that happens.
Not about the road, just talking.
Yeah, just talking.
How do you feel when that happens?
Honestly, a little stressed again.
Again?
Yeah, because I don't know if I will understand.
Right.
I hear one word, maybe two.
But not the full sentence.
Yeah, not the full sentence.
Do you answer?
Sometimes I just smile.
Just smile?
Yeah, I smile and say, yeah.
Even if you don't understand?
Yeah, even if I don't understand.
That's very real.
I think a lot of people do that.
I think so too.
It feels safer.
Safer?
Yeah, easier than asking again.
But sometimes it doesn't work.
Yeah, sometimes it doesn't work.
So you say yes, but you're not sure.
Exactly.
And sometimes the driver keeps talking.
Oh, and now I'm really lost.
Really lost?
Yeah, I don't understand anything now.
That can feel uncomfortable.
Yeah, I just sit there, quiet.
Do you try to stop the conversation?
I don't know how.
Yeah, that's the hard part.
So I just say, sorry?
Again.
Yeah, again.
And then?
They repeat, but still fast.
Still fast?
Yeah, still fast.
And you still don't understand?
Still not really.
So what do you do now?
I try to laugh, a little.
You laugh?
Yeah, like, yeah,
That's very human.
yeah, I don't know what else to do.
Do you feel embarrassed?
A little, yeah.
That's normal. So after that, things get quiet again.
Yeah, finally, quiet.
Do you feel better?
Yeah, I feel better when it's quiet.
No more pressure.
No more pressure.
Then you look outside again.
Yeah, and now I recognize the place.
That's a good feeling.
Yeah, a really good feeling.
You know you're close.
Yeah, I feel relaxed again.
No more confusion.
No more confusion.
Then the car stops.
Yeah, we arrive.
And what do you say?
I say, thank you.
Simple,
Very simple.
but enough.
Yeah, enough.
Let's go through everything again.
Okay.
You get into the taxi.
I sit down. I feel a little nervous.
The driver speaks.
Too fast.
You don't understand.
I say, sorry?
Still not clear.
I guess. I say yes.
Then something feels wrong.
I check the map.
You hesitate.
Then I say, excuse me, this way?
You understand a little more.
I feel better.
The driver talks again.
I smile. I say, yeah,
Not perfect.
but okay.
Then you arrive.
I say, thank you.
And how do you feel now?
Better than before.
More confident?
Yeah, more confident.